When I give my prompts and I'm working on something like this, I will say specifically to ChatGPT or Gemini, let's do this step by step together.
For people who've learned plenty of AI theory but want to actually build assistants, GPTs, or systems, what's the fastest and most effective way to get hands-on?
I would go into your favorite AI platform and ask it how to build one. So if you're an AI Academy member, which is our online education platform, I have a course on how to build a Co-X. It's basically how to build an AI assistant. So it walks you through. So that's available, but you could go and search for this. Say, how do I build a GPT? How do I build an AI assistant in Google Gemini? Or just go straight into the Gemini app or ChatGPT and say, hey, here's what I do. I would love to figure out how to build some GPTs to help me be more effective. And it'll guide you. You can literally say okay, I really like the idea for this GPT. Can you write a system prompt for me that I can use to train the GPT? It'll do it. So you could, to kind of shortcut it, you could use our Jobs GPT. So we'll put a link in the show notes for that. And say, hey, my role is this. I'm a partner in a law firm, or I'm a HR executive, or I'm a head of operations, whatever it is. How could I be using AI? And Jobs GPT will actually lay out a bunch of ways you could be using it and give you some rationale as to which ones might be most valuable. And then you could say to it, okay, help me prioritize 3 GPTs I could build that are going to create the most efficiency for me based on these tasks you just identified. And it'll go through and do that. So you can just talk to Jobs GPT about it and it'll help you.
The first one I built, I actually had 2 monitors and 2 instances of ChatGPT opened up. One, I'm saying, what's the prompt? What's questions? It was basically giving me all the answers to just basically cut and paste into it. And I edited it because a lot of it just didn't make sense for me. But I'm like, okay, let's give this a spin and see how it goes. Went back in, edited it, made it better. There's a lot of just trial and error with that first one.
Yeah, and one of the things I've found really helpful, and I've mentioned this on some recent episodes, is when I give my prompts and I'm working on something like this, I will say specifically to ChatGPT or Gemini, let's do this step by step together. And then what it does is it doesn't just vomit 5,000 words and here's your thing. It's no, I want to go through a process. I want to make decisions. I want you to help me do it. So if you just say, let's do this step by step, the AI assistant will actually okay, sounds good. Step 1, let's do this. What do you think? That sounds great. Okay, step 2. And you can just go back and forth with it. It's the best way to use any of your favorite AI assistants as an advisor and a consultant. It's just tell it to do step by step with you.